Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making garlic butter and herb lamb chops. Let's begin. Dry the chops with paper towel or kitchen towel, then season them with salt and black pepper. Rub in the seasoning with your hands. Massage them. Turn them over and repeat the same seasoning process. A very warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. I'm glad you came. Sprinkle smoked paprika on both sides, then rub it in. A big thank you to my returning subscribers, my Easy family. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Let's sear the meat. Heat the skillet until it's smoking hot. Add oil, then brown your chops. Add fresh sprigs of thyme. Once they're brown, turn them over. I timed them for the doneness of my liking. Please check the description box for the details. Add cut pieces of butter on each steak. Keep some butter for the stock, then add crushed garlic. Baste the meat with oil and butter. That's in the pan. The curation for the searing will depend on how you like your steak done. Check the description box. Once done, remove it from the heat, then continue with other pieces until you are done. Let's make the sauce or the gravy to pour on the meat. Scrape off the burnt debris, then reduce the oil. Pour the vegetable stock to deglaze the skillet. We're doing this on medium heat. Add the butter you've set aside, then stir until it melts. Add the juices from the meat, stir and reduce the stock, meaning cook it until it's half of what it was. Add a few drops of Tabasco sauce, or if you don't have, use sriracha sauce or Mexican chili sauce. Stir, taste and make adjustments if necessary. Pour the gravy over the meat and whatever you are serving it with so it doesn't get dry. I served mine with garlic mashed potatoes. You may garnish your plate, it's optional. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. Thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.